YouTube. Today I got this 2007 Toyota Prius with the 1.5 liter 4-cylinder hybrid. I'm going to be showing y'all how to replace these spark plugs today. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. I got the plugs. Let's do this. Alright, first thing we need to do is get this little relay box out of our way, because it's right on top of the plugs. Just grab you a little 10mm action here. Get my little Mr. 3/8 electric. Just swing that bad boy right out of your way. Let's tuck it up under. Let's see if we can get it tucked up under that wiring harness. Stay put, fool. Alright, now we have access to the coils. And I don't think you can pull these out without unplugging them, so we're going to go ahead and unplug them. I'm going to grab this little flathead screwdriver here. Hopefully they don't break. Pull up on that tab, because for some reason these Toyotas, when you push down on them, they don't go far enough up to frickin' unplug. So you need to give it a little assistance there, y'all. And that last one is a very tight spot. Okay. See if we can work around it. The rest of the stuff here, I think we can. Alright, grab your 10 again. We're going to lose the extension this time. Ooh, yeah. Cutting it short there, it's hitting the wiper cowl, so let's try to find a little bit shorter here. Maybe a medium well will be sufficient. Perfect. But not on that one. Let's see. Just barely got on there. Alright. You pull these coils out, make sure your dust boots don't fall off. Sometimes they'll get stuck to the valve cover. Just retrieve them and push them back over. Doesn't matter what order they go in, coils are all the same. Unless you got a misfire and you're playing musical coils, then you don't remember. Alright. Grab your little 3/8 action here. Let's see if we can get this on it without hitting anything. Now the sparkler is going to stay down in there because of my freaking crappy socket that keeps breaking, that I have warrantied out every month, that I just don't warranty out anymore. It's supposed to be magnetic. I give up until they get the design better. Even the old school ones with the rubber in them, they screw up too when that rubber gets all swelled up. Yeah. Normally you get a running start with your ratchet to get more power out of it. Probably a little less life, but it is what it is. You're not paying for it, I am. Unless it's your tool. Much work as I do and as hard as I am on tools, I'm prepared to buy a new one every couple years or so, maybe sooner sometimes, depending. If I drop it too, I've broke them dropping them. Alright. As I'm dropping everything, just make sure they gave you the right plugs, because sometimes I get the wrong ones that are the long shank. Yeah, these are shot. I bet these are original. Guaranteed they're original. Just kind of let them drop down the cylinder there. Go ahead and run them down just till they bottom out. I'll tighten them a little bit more with my manual ratchet. Taking them out is one thing, putting them back in, I don't want to break them. I don't care if I break the old ones. Alright. Okay, so we're going in the right direction. And snap on ratchets, it's going to say on and off, so you want to be on the on position. It's nice and snug, don't get too wild with them. Just a couple quarter turns. Once you feel them stopping, just another quarter turn. This one's in a tight spot. Let's see if I can get it plugged in before I seat it. Get on there, fool. Yeah, that was much easier to do it that way. Oh, this feels real good on my lower back right now, bending over this thing. All right. Last but not least, final sequence. Now, I know I used a different setup the first time, and I'm not going to mount that fuse box back until I know it's running right. Take my gloves off so I don't get the customer steering wheel all dirty. Okay. Rev it a little bit, what little bit it'll let you. I don't feel no skip, no misfire, nothing like that. So it was just a routine maintenance tune-up. 161,000 miles. Those plug definitely look at that. Wow, that's impressive. I guarantee she'll see a little better performance though, and probably a little bit better gas mileage as well. Anyways, I got other things to do, so I'm gonna cut this video off. I don't think I need to show y'all how to mount that fuse box back on. You saw how I took it off, so. As always, y'all, check like, subscribe. Y'all have a good day. Peace out.